Anthropic just broke the pricing model. Apple is building AI eyes, and the Pentagon wants drone swarms controlled by your voice. I'm Etienne Newman, and this is your AI Unraveled flash briefing for Wednesday, February 18th, 2026. Anthropic just dropped Claude Sonnet 4.6. It's their mid-tier model, but it's doing the impossible, matching or beating the flagship Opus 4.6 on coding and financial benchmarks, but at 1/5 of the cost. If you're building agents, the ROI math just changed overnight. Apple is making its move into wearables. Reports indicate they are fast-tracking camera-equipped glasses, pendants, and AirPods. The goal? To give Siri real-time visual context. It's the phone's eyes and ears, and it could arrive as early as this year. But it's not all consumer gadgets. SpaceX and xAI are entering a $100 million Pentagon contest to build autonomous, voice-controlled drone swarms. At the same time, the Pentagon is threatening to cut off Anthropic entirely, potentially labeling them a supply chain risk over their refusal to remove military usage restrictions. But with intelligence becoming this cheap and decentralized, how does an enterprise keep up? This episode is sponsored by AIRIA. From Sonnet 4.6 to personal agents running on Raspberry Pis, your AI perimeter is gone. AIRIA is the control plane that helps you orchestrate and secure every model in your stack, giving you unified security and cost control. Link in the show notes. In today's full episode, we also look at OpenAI's new lockdown mode, the $200 billion memory boom at Micron, and the controversy inside an AI-powered private school. Click the link in the show notes now to listen to the full episode.